Ever wonder how trains are getting fixed faster and cheaper? Deutsche Bahn, Germany's railway giant, is celebrating a decade of 3D printing success. They've got over 200,000 3D printed parts in action, showing how they're revolutionizing train maintenance. Since 2015, they've saved over 20 million euros. That's a lot of money. They're using 3D printing for everything from small parts to massive components, including a 540-kilogram gearbox housing. This tech helps them get trains back on track quicker, especially by making parts when and where they're needed. DB's digital warehouse holds over 1,000 digital models, making it easy to create parts on demand. This is a game changer for the railway industry, proving 3D printing is more than just a trend.